Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by reproducing the bug reliably so you know exactly when it happens and what triggers it. Once reproduced, capture a short 15-30 second video and at least one screenshot. Make sure the game version and timestamp are visible. Next, gather device details, OS, model, network type, and your username. This gives developers context quickly. You're not writing a novel, focus on facts, reproducible steps, and evidence so they can see the problem immediately. Now you write the reproduction steps in precise order. You should say, open menu, select only way, press X at countdown, spell out every click and timing. Once done, state how often it occurs, always 1/2 of attempts or intermittent with your percentage estimate. Make sure to attach artifacts, the short video, any console or crash logs, and error codes. Finally, note input method, controller, or keyboard, because that can change behavior and speed up diagnosis. You submit the report through the official channel, use the in-game bug report, support form, or the project's tracker and include all collected evidence. Make sure to copy the ticket ID and follow up if you find new logs or a change in behavior. If developers ask for steps reproduced live, be ready. If nothing happens, try a quick troubleshooting tip. Clear the game cache, restart your device, and test on another account to rule out local data issues before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.